We're here today at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2018 Ram 3500 Mega Cab. It's a Laramie model. Got the black grille, all blacked out model. Front park assist, tow hooks, high intensity headlamps and fog lights. Got the chrome wheels, 3500 with the 6.7 Cummins diesel in it, in the Ison transmission. Got the trailer tow mirrors on it that fold out. Is a 4x4, does have the trailer tow package, rear backup camera, as well as rear park assist. 7 and 4 pin hitch for your wiring. Does have the tow package for a fifth wheel or gooseneck, along with the wiring already in it. It's a prep package. We do carry the hitches and other accessories that you would need to make this into a towable vehicle. It's ready to tow, but as far as getting the hookups for your fifth wheel or your gooseneck, we have that all available here in our service department. Spray in bed liner right from the factory. Taking a look at the inside now. Does have the leather interior. As I said, the trailer tow mirrors are on this. Does have a button that you can automatically bring those in if you're in a tight spot and need to get through an area. Just hit the button and simply take it back out. Of course, power windows and locks, tilt steering, cruise control, memory seats. I've got heated and ventilated seats here in the front. Center console is fixed. Does have the trailer tow group. Diesel exhaust brake. 8.4 touchscreen radio. Now you get into the back here of the Mega Cab and talk about some leg room. You've got a rear seat that will recline. Plenty of leg room. I'm going to step up inside and give you a little better view of the interior here. Your center stack has got your 8.4 inch radio. You got your electronically controlled 4-wheel drive system that does have a neutral. Cruise control is back up on the steering wheel now. Then you've got controls on your center stack for your heated seats, heated steering wheel, your park assist stuff, and you've got a button that'll also control your alternate trailer height on this too. So you got a nicely equipped Mega Cab. Does have a power sunroof, moonroof in it also. Very comfortable. Got plenty of leg room in the back. If you're looking for a vehicle that's got plenty of tow power as well as room for passengers, the Mega Cab is a great vehicle to do that with. Just getting a better look all the way around here. Once again, it's got the 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel. Got the diesel exhaust brake, Ram Active Air, power sunroof. Does have Uconnect with navigation in it, remote start. Just a loaded up Laramie Mega Cab 4x4. It's one of the many commercial vehicles that we have in stock here at Sherry Chrysler. For more information on the commercial vehicles, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.